Have you ever thought about growing exotic fruits at home? Imagine the benefits: a bounty of fresh organic fruits, the added beauty to your home, and the sheer joy of nurturing a plant from seed to fruit. Today, we are going to guide you through the process of growing exotic fruits right in your backyard. The first step is choosing what fruit to grow. Consider your climate, the space you have, and the care required. For beginners, dragon fruit and passion fruit are popular choices. Once you've chosen your fruit, it's time to get planting. Now that you've chosen your fruit, it's time to plant your seed. Begin by preparing the soil. It needs to be rich in nutrients and well-draining. Dig a hole that's twice the size of your seed. Place the seed inside and gently cover it with soil. It should be just deep enough to be completely submerged, but no more. Give your newly planted seed a generous drink of water, but be careful not to overwater. With your seed planted, you're one step closer to having your own homegrown exotic fruit. Growing an exotic fruit plant requires regular care. The key to a healthy plant lies in a balanced routine. Water your plant just enough to keep the soil moist but not soaked. Typically, this means 2 to 3 times a week. Bright, indirect sunlight is best, so place your plant near a window with filtered light. Lastly, protect your plant from pests by using organic insecticides or introducing beneficial insects. With proper care, your plant will soon start to produce fruit. The most rewarding part of growing your own exotic fruit is the harvest. Recognizing the right moment can be as simple as observing color changes or feeling a slight softness. Harvest gently to avoid harming the plant. Now you can enjoy the fruits of your labor, literally. Growing your own exotic fruit can be a rewarding and delicious hobby. From selecting the right fruit, planting the seed, nurturing the plant, to finally reaping the fruit, the journey is as exciting as it is fruitful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!